Yo, what's up? So now we are in Canggu today. So we just came a little bit late for sunset. How it is Canggu right now, because I read that getting quiet for the foreigners, because nowadays most of the foreigners go already back to their own country.
Alright, as Winnie said, it's getting quiet in Canggu. Could you imagine that? Here where I'm facing camera over here used to be a barbecue and everything. Quite a busy place, but now seems like most of the foreigners just come back home. Some of them they move to Java Island, to Jakarta mostly. Many people also come back to the Europe, because Europe obviously is open or gonna be open in next week or something like that. Actually, my friend already traveled, and that's how it looks. Pretty quiet life in Canggu today. Bar here only pretty dark today. Some people around here little bit, but after that not much is happening. That's the Echo Beach, by the way. Echo Beach life. Alright, and at the front is famous La Brisa beach club. We're not gonna go inside today. We make already many vlogs inside La Brisa, but that's how it looks from the outside. Still surfers, quite many local people in Bali right now. Actually, Canggu is getting still busy because of local domestic tourists, but not really about the foreigners anymore, which is pretty interesting trend, like we already said in many vlogs, why local people are interested about Canggu, not really about Kuta, for example, or Legian. But yeah, that's how it is. Still better than totally quiet. Well, obviously it's not so busy, but yeah, still better than that. And now we are heading into more local area of Canggu, the warungs and restaurants, and we will see. Oh, here is the corn guy. I will show you also how it looks like here, just point of view what to expect from Canggu right now, because as you know, you can love Canggu or hate Canggu, and the same is with our viewers. Some of you guys just love Canggu and other ones not really. I really understand that. For me personally, I have mixed feelings about Canggu, but well, vlogs are vlogs. Have to make and show everything. How is it, no matter of where is it. So that's how it looks. Also, the bean bags are like 25% of occupancy only, and the warungs, and that's actually quite pretty cheap warungs. They are not really expensive place here to compare to the bar next door. So basically, more expensive place, which is bar next door, and more commercial one is more busy and more local, more quiet. That's pretty weird right now what's going on in Canggu, but that's how it is. Okay, Doggo walking with us already for a longer while.
Okay, so we decided to go to one warung and have a dinner here actually. Nowadays every single day I've got emails, message in Instagram, even people text me, when is Bali open? Is it true that Bali gonna open in July? Well, there is no official statement yet until now. Not official statement yet. The rumors, oh my god, every single day we got the rumors Bali will open in June or July or something. But the reality, there is no official statement yet. So yes guys, we have to wait. Terima kasih.
Alright, cheers guys. Rato as always. I'm so sorry as I look a little bit sad today, but usually here is full of people. I don't know where's the people. All the people are just gone. I don't know. I have no idea.
Yeah, maybe they already go home to their own country.
I really think as many people go back to United States and to Europe, because Europe is open to travel. US is free to travel, but going even somewhere in around is so hard. So I don't know, maybe that's why. Maybe it's just because of midweek, I don't know. Alright, and also from my personal observation, I'm watching quite many YouTubers, travel vloggers like me, Polish and international, and basically everywhere around the world, like South Africa, Africa continent, South America, Central America, North America, Europe. Everything is open, they travel free or almost free, sometimes just the test. But unfortunately, Southeast Asia, every country in Southeast Asia is closed. Australia is closed, as most of you guys are from Australia. It's just so, sometimes it's so sad, you know, it's a little bit depressing mood sometimes, but we have to keep optimistic anyway, and showing you Canggu even sometimes you don't like it.
Yeah, because one of our friends actually already going back to Europe, and then yeah, they are traveling also around Europe, and then without the test, and just like back to normal. So yeah. So maybe nowadays, because most of the people who are you know, stuck in Bali, they already back to their home countries, or maybe just they were in Bali and now they are going back to their home countries, so that's why it's not so many people nowadays.
Yeah, maybe like that.
So yeah, I feel like the vibe in Canggu nowadays is, I don't know, I can say that the vibe is getting worse, because we feel like whenever we arrive in the warung it's totally different, you know. Whenever you go to Denpasar, you go to the Ubud, you go to Sanur, or you know, like
even
you
Kuta,
can,
Legian.
yeah, Kuta, Legian, you can still see that people greet you, the great hospitality of, you know, like people saying something and then welcome you. But here, I feel like, you know, if you are not wearing a fancy clothes or something like that, they will not look at you, even they will not greet you. But yeah, I feel like vibe here is more materialistic. So yeah, if you are not like wearing or looking good, looking proper, they will not greet you or something like that.
That's why. Comment below, what do you think about Canggu? Have you ever been in Canggu? Comment below, is yes, no. Because, well, obviously we have to show you Canggu time to time. We cannot only focus about Kuta every day, or Legian, or Sanur, especially Sanur nowadays. Everybody loves Sanur again. But Sanur vibes are cool. I love Sanur vibes, but comment below what do you think about Canggu vibes. Alright, our dinner arrived. It's actually been long time until I eat last time nasi goreng and sayang cafe mee goreng. Let's eat today something local, This is the warung. It is just after 7 o'clock. Everybody already way home. I think we're gonna move to Seminyak or somewhere, because nothing is happening here, as you see.
Okay, so after we've been to Canggu and we see that Canggu is so quiet, and then yeah, we moved to Seminyak. We are in Biku restaurant. We're having a coffee here. Let's see, busy.
It's quite busy here and definitely much better vibes. As you see, it's quite busy. Seminyak is definitely much more busier than Canggu right now. Even outside there are people.
So as we are in Biku, we decided to have a cake. Ooh la la, so many beautiful cakes. So nice. Okay, so we have coffee and cake. Ooh, smacznego.
Smacznego, kochanie.
Always good.
Alright, we after the cake, lovely cake, and this is the... We're gonna have a little bit stroll to burn the calories what we gain. Just Tony's Villas, I don't know.
I know that some of you staying.
Yeah, somebody stay there, and this is the
Imani rooftop.
Imani rooftop. I cannot show you because it's so hard, but it's the party on the top of the rooftop today. And meanwhile, that's how it looks the live. And we're actually heading into this this bar over there. It's called Shishi, because when we was passing this way, it was so busy over there. I don't know. Now maybe it's quiet, but before was so busy. So we are heading. By the way, here is W Seminyak Hotel. If somebody are interested, W Seminyak is open. By the way, that's very interesting fact. And check this out. This is already the traffic on the street. It's quite busy actually. Check this out. Sushi bar. I don't really know what's going on there, but seems like it's busy. Nice place, but really don't know what is going on. And basically all these girls, because mostly girls, are coming to this bar, and I don't know what's going on. And more interesting that there are mostly girls coming there. Oh, check this out. And they have a bar also with also only girls inside. I don't know. Now I feel like I wanna go inside because only girls coming inside. Honey. Alright, so at the end, one more shot to show you what's going on with this sushi bar. Really not getting the hype, but well, at least we know they are the... Where are the people? They are here. Check this out.
Alright, so in people behind me, why there are so many ladies, many girls? Because today is ladies' night. So if you are ladies, are you supposed to be there and get free entrance and free drinks? I think, yeah. So
I don't know. So whenever you wanna go there and see many nice girls inside, so go at Wednesday probably, right?
right, guys, I think that's all our video today from Canggu, and then we go to Seminyak. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
See ya. Take care.